So let's do a quick search in Google. We'll look for selectize z-index because this is kind of shorthand for layering problems. Okay, so this first issue says cannot display completely in a bootstrap modal. So that's not exactly what we're trying to do, but it does sound like it might be related. So here's an example, but what I'm kind of interested is in the answer here. It says this is due to two things. The drop-down parent option needs to be set to body so that it's not clipped by the container. Let's see if we can do that. So if we go to our index.html file and we scroll up to where we're setting selectize, we can adjust this. And here's a JS fiddle that we can look at for an example. So here's our JavaScript, and it's running selectize, and it's passing in the settings as this first parameter. Now, there's a lot going on here, and we don't need all of these. The only thing we really need is drop-down parent. And what this tells us is that we can add that just like we've added options for flex slider inside of two curly brackets. So I'm going to copy this drop-down parent body here, and I'll go to our selectize, and I'll add some curly brackets for options, and I'll paste in drop-down parent body, and I'll save that, go back to the browser, and I'll refresh. And now when we click the drop-down, it will appear over our content. Sweet.